Hello and welcome to Kevin and Barbara Finucans here in Ballygriffy and in Rouen for the Kitchen Sessions live on Clare FM.
I so well know the path beneath the soft green sward. Friends in there that we once did regard, we can trace out their names in the old churchyard. Mourn not for them, for their trials are o'er. Why weep for those who will weep no more? For sweet is their sleep, though cold and hard, their pillows lay deep in the old churchyard.
County Ross coming in, hailstones entering. I was crossing the fields on the way to the train. I met a young Colleen, said she, do you know, was a shark cutting to old Ballymo. Says I, Colleen, oh, I said a big kiss. Says she, you poor idiot, a lot you have missed. Says he, I'd be willing to learn, you know, in the practice between here and old Ballymo. Do you think I'll go with you, you morgero? I don't like your looks nor the sound of your brogue. You're young and good looking, but God knows you're slow. And we don't like old dead ones in old Ballymo. So in the county Ross, coming in hailstones and rain, if you're crossing the fields on your way to the train, beware of young collies that you do not know, for they well may be married in old Ballymore.
think it's funny the way you sit and count that money, but I aim to please, playing these keys for you. Sunday's gone, Monday went, I paid the bills, I paid the rent, but now I ain't got a dime, I ain't got a dollar for you. And I've never been much of a gambling man, I ramble all over like a one-man band. Now soon I will ramble through your town, and these women don't seem to last. My heart's just cut like broken glass, hanging now, hanging by a single thread. See, I roamed all over east to west, I rolled the dice and I held my breath, but now I ain't got a dime, ain't got a dollar for you.